Hello and thank you for using App Annie. In this tutorial, we will cover deep dive into an app level view on App Annie for competitive analysis. At an app level view, you can get information into rank history and rank in various countries, ratings for any app in countries they are present in, and also featuring information. To get to an app level view in App Annie, you can either search for the specific app in the search box on top left hand side, or from top charts view, click on any app. Let's take the Uber Eats app as an example for the purpose of this demo. For Uber Eats app, we will explore daily ranks, rank history, ratings, and featured tab in detail today. Let's jump straight to the daily ranks tab. When you go to daily ranks, by default, it will take you to the ranks tab. This view provides you insight into how many markets a competitor app is present in and how they rank in these markets. So for Uber Eats, we can quickly see that on May 28th, Uber Eats is the top ranked app in food and drinks category in 17 countries, and this is up from 16 countries on the previous day. This upward movement is indicated by the green arrow mark with number 1 next to it. Also, you can scroll down to see which countries the app has reached a particular rank for that date. Here, Uber Eats was ranked number 1 in Peru, Portugal, and Egypt, and ranked number 2 in Costa Rica and Australia. The daily tab gives you information only for a particular day. But if you want to see the best rank any app has ever achieved, you can click on the highest rank tab. Uber Eats achieved rank 1 in 102 countries for food and drink category. If you scroll down, you can see the date when the app achieved the best rank in a particular country. So to summarize, this view gives you an insight into how popular the app is in various countries and helps you identify the key markets for a competitor app. Now, if you would further like to understand the trend and ranking of an app in any country, you can navigate to the Rank History tab. Since Uber Eats is a free app, we will only look at the download rank trend. But for a premium app or an app with IAP, you have the revenue trend available as well. Here, we have selected two countries, United States and the UK. You can see that in US, the app has consistently maintained the number 1 rank in food and drink category, but their ranking has been fluctuating between rank number 5 to rank number 1 in the UK. This may be an indication of a more competitive food and drink category in the UK. Moving on to the ratings tab. Here, you can get a quick glimpse of ratings in different countries the app is present in for both the current version of the app and all versions of the app. So in US, while the rating is 5 for both current and all versions, it is 4.5 in the UK for Uber Eats. You can always refer to the reviews tab to understand the reason for difference in ratings in these countries. Coming to the last tab that we will be covering today, the featured tab. The featured information can help you understand potentially what kind of featuring you can expect for your own app. Under featured tab, let's jump to history first. Under history, you can get a snapshot of how many times the app was featured in a particular country, which is the frequency metrics. You can select multiple countries here. Here, you can see that Uber Eats was featured 240 times in UK and 90 times in US. If you want to get insight into which page it was featured, you can navigate to category page. In this view, we can see that Uber Eats was featured 270 times in food and drink category and 60 times in lifestyle category. Now, if you want to understand the app's featured placement, we can jump to daily snapshots. Here, you can see the creative if applicable, the type, and also the path of where the featured placement was shown in the store. In addition to tracking this information for your own app, you can track it regularly for competitor apps as well. With this, we hope you'll be able to use App Annie for deep dive into a competitor app and get insights on it. Thanks for listening and have a great day.